Meteorologist Mike Simon joins us in the Weather Center to answer if there's any more of that we can expect this week. Hey, Mike.
Hey, Katie. Yes, we do have some more showers and storms in our forecast just about each and every day. Today might be the driest over the next several, believe it or not. I know yesterday we had some thunderstorms get pretty strong, especially down in Sevier County and also into Blount County and into Cock County too. Those storms got pretty strong. No reports of any damage directly with the National Weather Service, but what you see here is wind damage. Storm reports yesterday, just a few. There are a couple of dots showing up there in Knox County, also one up to the north in Scott County, and then we have a few others that are on the other side of the line into North Carolina. For instance, Oneida, they had a tree down with the wind that was so strong there. Well, currently it's not bad downtown. We have partly sunny skies, a lot of high clouds that filter their way in. We have a temperature of 90, but it feels more like 96. That dew point's still running above 70. Most of us have our heat indices in the mid 90s, some in the upper 90s. That's how hot it feels. Well, here's our radar showing a couple of isolated showers, perhaps a thunderstorm, back toward Crossville. And those have been drifting very slowly around, and they should rain themselves out. We'll watch for more pop-ups in the mountains too later on this evening, Katie.
All right, Mike, we'll check back in. Thank you so much.
Well, if you're looking for more rain, I think we could serve some up in the forecast. We'll probably need the umbrella every day. It's still going to be hot and humid too. More on that with your 7-day on the way.
Some spotty showers that have been with us this past week, and it looks like we're going to get some more, Mike.
Yeah, kind of a wet period that is going to continue. As a matter of fact, it may even ramp up a little bit and have more widespread showers and perhaps a couple of stronger thunderstorms possible through this week. Here's the view in Gatlinburg. Our Gatlinburg cam showing we have some blue sky with some clouds that have been building a little bit. Some high clouds that come in, and that helped suppress our temperatures a little bit. I don't know if that really helps, but anything we can get will certainly benefit from, considering how hot it has been. Humidity has been high because of our dew points. It is running about 72. It was a little bit higher yesterday, but it still feels about 5 degrees hotter than the actual temperature because of that. 55% humidity. The wind, not much. It's pretty light right now, and it's going to continue to be that way through tonight. Temperatures are right around 90 degrees. Some of us in the mid-80s back toward Rockwood and Wartburg. We get out to Maryville. Our friends there have 89. And then down the road in Pigeon Forge, we're almost 90 degrees. Dandridge right at the money there at 90. We haven't had any showers or any thunderstorms really develop across much of the area for the past several hours. We have had one or two begin to form and move in from the west, and that's back toward the Cumberland Plateau. These are very light, not picking up any lightning, so just some isolated showers. Might have a brief heavy downpour right in the middle of these particular cells. It's coming down to about 1 inch per hour, and they're moving toward the east-northeast. So it looks like Crossville will probably miss those to the south that are going to go toward Crab Orchard, and Fairfield Glade you'll probably get wet too. An explanation over the next several days: we have a frontal boundary to the north of us, a cold one that'll be dropping in. We have a Bermuda high that's extended itself and kind of trenched in along the east coast, and in between the two is where we are. And the reason why they're both important: the front comes down, it causes the instability. We have a lot of heating going on. We have a lot of moisture added because of the flow around high pressure, which is clockwise, and that pumps in the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So by Monday at 6 p.m., we're going to have scattered showers and perhaps a thunderstorm or two possible. Even in the early morning, we could have 1 or 2 showers, and then it's only going to increase through Tuesday evening. About midnight, we could have more showers and storms, and that'll last through Tuesday. So we have a pretty good chance of getting wet. 2 to 4 inches possible, maybe even more than that over the next several days, depending if you end up getting rain each and every day. Some of us won't, but we should, all of us, get rain at some point this entire week. There is a potential for flooding. It is elevated because the ground's already saturated, and the additional inches of rain will lead to some trouble there. Damaging winds possible, and small hail possible with these storms. Tonight we get down to 73 degrees. It'll be muggy and warm. And then for your Monday, take the umbrella, high of 91 degrees, so it still stays pretty hot. Afterwards, our temperatures, well, they fluctuate a little bit, so it's not as bad, but it'll still feel humid all week long. Chance of rain each and every day.
That muggy meter is just going up, Mike. Thank you.